Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. And welcome to my segment, Coffee Chat. And Coffee Chat's just a morning segment before I start doing my clients, and I do this twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And it's just a real quick 5, 6, 7 minutes, basically, that I decided to have my coffee with you guys in the morning and talk about your hair loss and maybe some favorite products that I have or little tricks that I might have. So if you have any suggestions or things you'd like me to talk about and something really quick subjects, not some 10-minute, 15-minute video, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll write them down and keep them in track and give me something to talk about, guys. All right. So today, what we want to talk about is patch test. What is a patch test? Have you ever read online or seen an adhesive company or talk about a patch test? Or you went to a studio and they want to do a patch test. So a patch test basically is to see if you're allergic or will have an allergic reaction to a certain product that's going to be touching your skin. For example, an adhesive glue. So always make sure that somebody does a patch test on you when you're using an adhesive or glue that you've never used before. And even when you go to a new studio or you're buying something online, do a patch test, because it might be a knockoff, you never know. I know that Professional Hair Labs, their product does get knocked off. They try to keep up on that, but if it's a knockoff product, it doesn't mean it's their product and it's their ingredients, okay guys? So a patch test is really important. The one easy way to do a patch test basically is you just bring your shirt sleeve up. You take a little dot of whatever it is you're using. It could be even hair color. You might be allergic to hair color. Somebody that's allergic to a lot of things, you might want to do this before you even put hair color on your head. And just put a little dot of adhesive or hair color or whatever it is you're testing. Adhesive remover even. These adhesive removers, some of them are a little stronger than others. So you might want to make sure that you're okay with that. And just put it there and put a Band-Aid on top of it and put your shirt sleeve back down and give it 24 hours and see what happens. If nothing happens, no reaction, then you're all good and you should be good to use that product for a very long time. Now, things can change. Everybody's body chemistry does change, and you take medications and that can change your chemistry and your body makeup. But for the most part, you should be good from there on out. But that's a patch test. You can also do a patch test behind your ear, but that's a little inconvenient and exposed, and just a little, people don't want to Band-Aid on their neck a lot of times. So this is just fine. Just put it in the crease of your arm, and where it's not going to be messed up with a Band-Aid, but just put it there, and like I said, 24 hours, you should be good, guys. All right? And that's a patch test. If you have any questions about a patch test, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll be glad to get back to you on that. All right, guys? Okay, guys, let's move on to a next segment this morning. And it's basically one of Steve's favorite tools today. Products, tools, whatever that may be. And that tool is waxing sticks, okay? And these waxing sticks, they're fantastic for removing adhesive on the scalp. Okay, when that adhesive is on the scalp and you need to remove it, what do you remove it with? You remove it with a towel, which that usually doesn't work because your work area just gets messed up and the towel gets dirty and the adhesive just moves around, doesn't really go anywhere. These sticks are fantastic. They're actually made for waxing. When you wax somebody's body, their hair off their body, they're actually waxing sticks, and you can get them at Sally's Beauty Supply, and they come in these little bundle packets, and they're very reasonable. And so if you look in the description below, you'll see a link over to Sally's and the product, okay? And basically they're disposable, or you can use them more than once. I mean, you can wash them. You wash wood too many times and it's going to break down, but for the beginning, you can get 2 or 3 wobbly washes off of it and keep it clean. But, or like I said, they're reasonable. You can just throw them away. And, but like I said, they're great. They have a nice edge. pull the adhesive off when you're removing the adhesive. But these are one of my favorite tools to remove adhesive off of the scalp for your services. Okay, guys? Again, down in the description below, there's a link over to Sally's Beauty Supply and these products, guys. All right? Favorite tool. All right, so to wrap today up with, we're gonna wrap up with a quick tip, guys. All right, quick tip. In the morning when you get up, since we're doing a morning and having our coffee together here, in the morning when you get up, guess what? You're going to have bedhead. Now, if you're taking your hair system on and off every single day, no, you're probably not gonna have bedhead because your hair system's laying on top of a mannequin over there. But if you're sleeping in your hair, you're gonna have bedhead. So when you get up in the morning, the first thing you wanna do is you want to brush it out. And when I say brush it out, take a brush that's gentle to the scalp and gentle to this hair system, and just brush it out gently and get all of the tangles that you can possibly get out with a brush. After you've brushed it out, then take your comb, a good, safe comb for hair replacement systems, whether you're wearing skin or lace, and now comb through any smaller tangles that might be in the hair. All right, and then you can proceed to either shampoo your hair or just wet it down and restyle it in the morning, guys. All right, so again, that's just a real quick tip. In the morning, you're gonna have bedhead, it's gonna be tangled. Everybody's different. Some people wake up and their hair will be perfect. Other people wake up and it's off to one side. I'm one of those people. I've got hair off to one side in the morning. So basically just take that brush and brush through it, and then take a comb and brush through any of the tangles that are left after the brush goes through it, and then just wet it down and comb and style. That's the easiest way. Or jump in the shower and shampoo it and blow dry and style again. So, all right, guys. So that's just a quick tip for the day. And again, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant. I hope you enjoyed our little coffee chat this morning, and hope you're almost done with your coffee and it's time to get to work. And if you like my segment, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's how I keep going here. And if there's anything you'd like me to talk about in the morning on Coffee Chat, let me know. And hopefully one day we're going to be doing this as a live chat and get a big enough audience interested. So let me know in the comment section below also if you're interested in a live chat. And again, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.